Hello and welcome to another Cloudsania tutorial. Today I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of creating an environment for your projects. Whether you're setting up a development, a staging, or a production environment, understanding the environment is key to deploying projects successfully and securely. So let's dive in. First, what exactly are environments? In Cloudsania, environments represent isolated cloud setups where your projects are deployed. They allow you to test, deploy, and manage your applications safely. Environments are crucial because they provide structure, security, and flexibility when building scalable cloud applications. So, to proceed, you want to navigate to the projects module from the sidebar by clicking on projects. So now we need to locate the project we would like to set up an environment for. So for this, I'm going to select a project that was created. I'm going to select this project, which was created using the developer mode. So for this project, I want to create a dev environment. I currently have an existing environment, which is what you can see here, but I want to create a dev environment. So I'm going to click on this new environment button and a model will be displayed, and I need to provide all of this information. First, I need to choose my in the environment I want to create by selecting one of Cloudsania's pre-configured environments. So here we have the dev environment for development and testing. We have the production environment for live deployment. We also have the demo environment, which is a sandbox setup for showcasing your features. And then we have the QA environment dedicated for quality assurance and testing. And then you can also create a custom environment based on your environment, specification. So I'm going to select the dev environment. And next, I need to select the visibility scope. And right here, we have the public visibility scope, which means that this environment will be accessible to a wider audience. So I'm going to select that. Next, I need to choose the cloud provider, that I want to create this environment for. So I'm going to select AWS, and then based on the provider that I have selected, we need to now select an AWS region. So I'm going to select this and then click on the continue button. So here you can see that environment has been successfully created, and now we need to set up our cloud connector. In one of our previous video, I walked us through how to create an AWS default access connector. And if you haven't seen that video, please check it out so you get to understand the step-by-step process of creating an AWS access connector, as it will be needed when you want to set up your environment. So because I already have an AWS access connector here, I'm just going to select that and click on Finish Setup. So we've been able to configure a connector for this particular environment. As you can see here, the environment's name is dev environment. The visibility scope is public. The environment is active, and this is the date of creation. Also, you can see the active connector that has been configured for the environment. So we can click on the action icon here to view the environment page. So on the environment page, as you can see, there are range of features here. From here, you can manage those features. We have the con stack where you can deploy your cloud infrastructure components like the EC2, ECS. We have the add-ons. Here you can set up add-ons um, to enable you efficiently manage your um, deployment and also your resources. Then we have the CI/CD pipelines. Here you get to automate build, test, and also deploy your code changes. And then we have the DNS configuration. Here you get to create and manage your DNS and also your DNS records and your domains. And then coming soon are the monitoring and logging analysis, the alarms and incidents, as well as security scan. Yeah, you get to you get to have better visibility and protection of your environment. And that's it. We've successfully created an environment on Cloudsania, and by using environments properly, you can ensure a smooth development process, a safer testing, and a reliable production deployment. And thanks for following along. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out more resources on our documentation site at docs.cloudsania.com. See you next time. Bye for now.